Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best throwing knives. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the SOG Throwing Knives F041TN. Knife throwing is all approximately precision, passion, and excitement, and these types of get doubled if you have an awesome knife scent. SOG F041TN is prepared to deliver you the high-quality throwing experience as it is a great manufacturer from all angles. You get a sturdy tip, balanced middle of gravity and clean grip. Its cope width is fabricated from glass-reinforced nylon which is wrapped with paracord. This paracord reduces vibration and offers easy dealing with. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SOG Specialty Knives. With 2 8-inch straight aspect, this knife set is made from stainless steel, weighing simplest 5/4 oz every. You could expect sturdiness, durability, and stability each time you operate this knife set. If you've got started mastering knife throwing and need to learn no spin and quarter spin hints, this knife set is made for you. The SOG Specialty Knives Tools FX41 NCP Fling Throwing Knives set of 3 have a classic fashion with complete tang construction. Made of 3CR13 mauve steel with an attractive satin polish finish, the 2 8-inch instantly edge, complete tang blades have a spearhead shape. At number 3, we have the Smith & Wesson SWTK8CP Throwing Knives. Finding a practical and a safe throwing knife is tough, but, in case you purchase Smith & Wesson SWTK8CP throwing knives, you don't want to fear about something. It is fabricated from a single sheet of chrome steel and has dual-edged spear factor blade. 8-inch blades make this set appropriate for expert use. Smith & Wesson focuses on creating knives which might be ready for all situations. At number 2, we have the Perfect Point RC179 series throwing knife set. Perfect Point RC179 knife set is one of the quality set to be had for the novices. RC179 is a 3-piece set that gives a balanced throw each time you use it. It is synthetic with a stainless steel base and measures nearly 8 inches. The Perfect Point throwing knife set with 3 knives, model RC1793B, capabilities, black blades and metal handles. With an 8-inch average length, this 3-piece throwing knife set provides a well-balanced throw each time. Each silver chrome steel throwing knife has a spider revealed on it. And finally, at number 1, we have the TrueStrike Throwing Knife set. This throwing knife has a standard period of 8 inches and product of stainless steel. Its blade period is 3/5 inches. It is a 1-piece knife. This is appropriate for the beginners and experts equally. Its sharp tip enables it to penetrate via its goal easily. TrueStrike throwing knives are designed to be utilized by both beginners and advanced knife throwers. We know that you will enjoy our knives as every blade is middle balanced. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this throwing knives, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.